My name is Lilian Achimodiambo from Rakwaro A, Kawur A. In Bangladesh. I do farming with my husband and my grandfather. See, this one is, I think, is a farmette. Yeah, and we planted watermelon, tomatoes, cabbage, banana. We use the solar pump. If the solar pump fails to work, we use the generator. And the generator, you cannot use one person because the pipe is heavy and the solar pump is very light. Yeah, because the pipe is light. The solar pump, it is easy to carry compared to the generator. If you don't have money to buy fuel, it's mainly the sukuma wiki and the watermelon. Some can go to really too because you don't have money to buy fuel. You think some people having, I don't know how we call it, money maker, the one which you need like this. But this one is you use a lot of energy compared to this. How people really like it. They really like it because they are using solar. Some even many people come to me and see how that one is working. They say, yeah, this one is really good. Just advising people to use really to plant everything. You can get money.